In this video, we'll show you how to replace the license plate bracket on your Ford F-150. This is located on the front of the vehicle and on the front bumper. Let's get started. On the driver's side of the vehicle, we have the license plate bracket. I'll be using a plastic trim tool. You can certainly use a flathead screwdriver. You might want to use a rag on it so that you don't damage your bumper. Come in from the back side. We can start to pull this out. And there we have it. To install our new one, we have two little dowels on the back side. We can line those up with the holes in the center and simply press in. Make sure it's secured, and that side's all set. On the passenger side of the vehicle, we have a trim piece similar to the license plate bracket. We can go ahead and just pull this off. When pulling these off, the inside clips may break off. Simply pry those out. To install this, the same as the license plate bracket, we have two little dowels. We'll go ahead and put those into the center holes. Line those up. And simply press in, make sure it's fully secured.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.